Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add payment method on Google Play Store. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Google Play Store. From here click on profile icon, then click on payment and subscription, then click on payment method, then click on more payment settings, then click on add a payment method, and from here enter your debit and credit card, select your date of birth and enter your billing address, select your country, enter your address, select your city and select your postcode, then tap on save. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.